Hi there, my name is Mark and welcome to the Man Cave. It's a beautiful day outside, you can't see it right now, but it is a beautiful day. It's a little bit cloudy, but it's hot and it's dry. That means we're gonna drive today. No matter what, we're gonna drive today. But we do have some problems we have to solve first. First of all, this garage is, the Man Cave is a mess. Look at all the stuff and even the debris and the dust on the Ferrari. It is like, oh my god. That's problem number one we need to solve. Problem number two, we got into a little accident. Yeah, not with the Ferrari, not with the Ferrari. We got an accident with the Ford. Actually, my wife got into an accident. How to say it? Well, difficult traffic situation. Maybe I'm gonna show you in a different video. I don't know, maybe later on in this video. I don't know yet. Difficult situation. She crossed a bicycle lane and there was a scooter on it. It was driving a little bit fast, I think. I don't know. I haven't got any proof. But he smacked the Ford and did quite some damage to the car. And the problem is, because it was a bicycle lane, I have to pay. Yeah, so that sucks, really sucks. But from the ashes of that tragedy, we are first going to the body shop to get a quote for the Ford to repair it, because we're not gonna leave it like this. We're missing some lights, etc. I'm gonna show you in a few seconds what the damage extent is. I already ordered lots of parts for the Ford. I also checked out some new rims, because one of the rims is damaged and the other ones got curb rash. So yeah, just use it in our advantage. Oh, and I ordered some new suspension for the Ford. Yeah, I thought it's got some external damage, so we need new suspension, right? Use whatever we have to do it. So we're gonna have to restore the Ford. Really sucks, but especially because I have plans today to toy around with the Ferrari, but first things first. And so the plan of today, be a little bit, come on guy. The plan of today is simple. First we're gonna take the Ford to the body shop. Then I'm gonna take some pictures or a little footage for you guys to show you the damage. Because it doesn't look like much, but there is quite some damage in especially this part. Then we're gonna film the BMW, because I think I didn't show you guys the final result of all the work I did in the BMW. And then at the end of the day, we're gonna clean this garage, make sure the Ferrari comes out, then drive it and clean it in another day. Let's get started. Yay. Well, just been to the body shop and you see the damage. Doesn't look like much, but the under tray is broken and there's some inner parts underneath the bumper that are broken, because the scooter went just like in and the bumper flexed back. So it's not very visible, but it's annoying. And what especially is annoying when you drive a little bit faster, then the car goes like because of the engine plate. Sorry, the engine plate that's like loose, broken, and we got some parts in the car here. Have to wait a week for the offer, that sucks. On the other end, it's better to have a proper offer than an estimate, and then when you work on the car, you discover it's twice as expensive. I'm guessing the damage for the bodywork is around 2,500 euros. And I now already ordered about 1,000 euros on parts, including the upgrades, of course. So, and I got some new rims that I want to put on the car. I'm just contemplating if I want 18-inch or 19-inch. The current wheels are an 18-inch. It's comfortable and I like a little bit of rubber, but maybe the wheel that I have in mind will be a little bit more fitting in 19-inch. I don't know yet. But decisions. And what a lovely day here, sitting at this weird spot. Wait, we got some debris, an old car. We got some moving traffic. And I don't know if you can see, but we got lots of debris and other stuff over there. It's just like, and there's nothing here except for green. I don't know why they made a parking here, but this is a place where all the criminals probably will come. And with that bombshell, I think it's time to move. Well, another mission complete. Now let's get this baby outside so I can clean this mess in here. Yeah. First thing we need to do, oh my god, is give her some juice. Yeah.
Let's see if she still works.
We got lights. It's a little bit messy. Wait. Oh, are you still there yet? Oh, well, let's see. We got some cooling liquid and we got a lot of oil. Of course, we already knew that. And she still doesn't sound great, but she looks so damn sexy. You can't even see me in the... Just take a look at this car. So, second stop of the day. Oh, wait, maybe I'm in the way. No, I don't think so. Second stop of the day. Yeah, we got the Ford back home. To be patient right now. But I thought, well, let's get the BMW out and show you guys the result of all the work I did, because I didn't finish the last video. So, here's the result. So the garage is all clean. The Ferrari is warming up. Sounds good. All day in the sun does her good. My kid is coming with me, so I don't know if I can film a lot because I don't want her on camera exposed, but let's just have a drive and let's enjoy the evening because it's already evening, but this mess is all sorted out. Oh, there she is. We're gonna go for a little drive. This is the life. Got the kid. Oh, I can't show her. Yeah. Oh. Got the kid with me. She's enjoying this ride. Do you like it? Vind je het leuk? Yeah. She's tired. We're gonna go home now. But man, this place, nice view. Should see a lot more Ferraris here, but that's okay. She runs great. A little bit slow still, but so much better, and it's getting better and better and better. I'm very happy. So now we're gonna head off home. I want to thank you for watching, and hopefully don't forget to like, subscribe, spread the word, and see you again next time. Goodbye.